Good day and welcome. It's Vasily, one of the co-founders at Tookey-io. And today we're going to be taking a close look at the platform itself, its capabilities. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get some partnerships out of it. Let's take a look. First things first, you're heading to Tookey-io website and pressing the Connect Now button. Then you can play around with the card and then authenticate with Telegram. All you need is to copy your phone number, paste it in here, and press next. Then Telegram gonna be asking you, is it actually you authenticating? Of course it's me, the greatness. You can always terminate the session, so no worries about it. Now, what we're gonna be doing, it's actually AI integrated, and we're just gonna be pressing the copy website, pasting it in here, getting rid out of this no need things. Yeah, and then the AI going to be creating the card for you. You can always modify it, as I'm doing right now. Then we need to work a bit on the one-liner in here, making it smooth and beautiful. All right, and now it looks awesome. Slice, reach to up to creator users. Okay. You can always modify the logo in there to make it look beautiful. We'll skip this part. Can modify your name. Let's get rid of Tookey-io. Sounds strange. Your position. You can be whatever. You can be a BD manager, marketing manager, even a co-founder. So feel free to adjust it. Then we're coming to the swiper. We're going to be putting some likes here and there just to make sure we get some quality matches. You can always see what company is doing. Then let's go to the main screen. So we can see your card. You can always invite your coworkers. You see right now it's only me in there. Or you can transfer ownership. If, for example, you're creating this for some of your coworkers or some of your friends. Basically, you can always modify the website in there. Also, you can try adjusting the company name, and as well as you can play around with the different one-liners in here, adding company domains, some other ones. Here you can see the subscription. You can always subscribe to a better plan and also integrate with Discord, Twitter, LinkedIn, and it's going to be a beautiful card in there. When we're done with the adjustments, moving to a swiper, you can see the matches. Right now it's 0 matches since we just get started. So it seems like we need to put some more likes or dislikes, whatever you want. Sounds interesting. Task bunny. All right. Let's put as much as we can. We're trying to get the most out of it. And seems like we're done in here. Basically, this is how you can acquire some more partnerships. That's how you can get started with the Tookey-io platform. Guys, and see you in the next videos. Cheers.